Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to my English online class. My dear students of class 6 of Khulliamon Girls High School. Today I will teach you English first paper English for today, lesson 14, and our topic's name is Our Pride. Amader Gorbo. Please everyone open your book. Page number 46. And our lesson's name is Our Pride. Let's start reading. For the people of Bangladesh, March is a month of unforgettable memories of pride as well as sorrow and grief. It is a month of proud memories because in this month in 1971, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh. In the early hours of the 26th March, shortly before his arrest by the Pakistani army, Bangabandhu declared the independence of Bangladesh. Now, 26th March is our Independence Day, which we celebrate annually with pride and joy. But March is also a month of sad memories for us. On the 25th March 1971, the Pakistani army swooped upon the Bengalis. They killed many unarmed and innocent men, women, and children in Dhaka. The Bengalis did not let it go unchallenged. They started resisting Pakistani army and the war of liberation began. On the 16th December of the same year, a new nation, independent Bangladesh, was born. This is why December 16 is our Victory Day, when the Pakistani army surrendered unconditionally. We, the Bengalis, celebrate our Victory Day by remembering the rules of our fearless freedom fighters. On the other hand, we sadly remember all the sufferings that our people endured during the liberation war. We pay our deep respect to the martyrs who gave their lives for the independence of Bangladesh. Along with celebrating our Victory Day every year, we should make a pledge to work unitedly to build the Sonar Bangla that Bangabandhu dreamed of. Okay, my dear student, I have completed my reading. Now, everyone open your khata and note down in your khata. I give you some vocabulary in the board. Please everyone note down in your khata whatever I am writing on the board. I give you some vocabulary from your textbook. Okay, please note down in your khata. And our first word is pledge. P-L-E-D-G-E, pledge. Pledge means potigga kora. Pledge, the Bengali meaning of pledge is potigga kora, and our synonym word of pledge is swear. S-W-E-A-R, swear. I hope you are writing. I am going to our second word is liberation. L-I-B-E-R-A-T-I-O-N, liberation. Liberation shabdar arth hocche mukti. Mukti, and the synonym word of liberation is freedom. F-R-E-E-D-O-M, freedom. Okay. Our next word is respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T, respect. Respect means সম্মান করা, and our synonym word is honor. H-O-N-O-U-R, honor. Our next word is pain. P-A-I-N, pain. Pain means যন্ত্রণা, and our synonym word is grief. G-R-I-E-F, grief. Our last word is annually. A-N-N-U-A-L-L-Y, annually. Annually means বার্ষিক, and the synonym word of annually is yearly. Y-E-A-R-L-Y, yearly. My dear students, I hope you completed your writings. Now I repeat the word again. Our first word is place. Place means potigga kora, and the synonym word of place is swear. S-W-E-A-R, swear. Our second word is liberation. L-I-B-E-R-A-T-I-O-N, liberation. Liberation shabdar arth hocche mukti, and the synonym word of liberation is freedom. F-R-E-E-D-O-M, freedom. Our next word is respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Respect. Respect means সম্মান করা, and the synonym word of respect is honor. H-O-N-O-U-R. Honor. Our next word is pain. P-A-I-N. Pain. Pain means যন্ত্রণা, and our synonym word of pain is grief. G-R-I-E-F. Grief. Our last word is annually. A-double-N-U-A-double-L-Y. Annually. Annually means বার্ষিক, and the synonym word of annually is yearly. Y-E-A-R-L-Y. Yearly. My dear students, I hope you all completed the vocabulary words. Now I give you our first question. Name is choose the best answer. I give you some choose the best answer in the board. Please everyone note down whatever is writing in the board. Our first question is unforgettable. যা কখনো ভোলা যায় না, unforgettable, and our options are unmemorable, unexceptional, memorable, ordinary. I hope you all know the answer, and the answer is number C, memorable, স্মরণীয়. Okay, our next question is memorize. Memorize, and the options are forget, disremember, escape, cramming. Cramming. Memorize শব্দের অর্থ কোনটা? Forget, disremember, escape, cramming. And our answer is number 4, cramming. স্মরণ করা বা মনে করার চেষ্টা করা, cramming. Our next choose the best answer is pride. Pride, and the options are shame, ego, modesty, humbleness. Pride শব্দের অর্থ গর্ব করা, and our options is answer is number 2, ego, and our answer is ego. Our next word is sorrow. Sorrow, and the options are what is the meaning of sorrow, and our options are happiness, joy, sadness, delight. Sorrow means দুঃখ. I hope you all know the answer, and our answer is sadness. দুঃখ বোধ করা, কষ্ট বোধ করা, sadness, number 3. And our last choose the best answer is grief. Grief, and I hope there are given some options. Number 1, happiness, joy, delight, sorrow. Grief, দুঃখ পাওয়া, কষ্ট পাওয়া, and our answer is number 4, sorrow. My dear students, I hope you are writing. I repeat the choose the best answer again. Our first choose the best answer is unforgettable, and the options are unmemorable, unexceptional, memorable, ordinary, and our answer is memorable. Memorable, স্মরণীয়, যা কখনো ভোলার নয়, memorable. And our second option is memorize. Memorize, and the options are forget, disremember, escape, cramming. Forget, disremember, escape, cramming, and the appropriate word is cramming. C-R-A-M-M-I-N-G, cramming. Our next word is pride. Pride, and the options are shame, ego, modesty, humbleness. I hope you know the answer, and the answer is ego. Our next word is sorrow, and the meaning of sorrow means দুঃখ করা, দুঃখ পাওয়া, কষ্ট পাওয়া, and the options are happiness, joy, sadness, delight, and our right answer is sadness. S-A-D-N-E-S-S, sadness. And our last choose the best answer is grief, দুঃখ বা কষ্ট, and the options are happiness, joy, delight, sorrow, and our appropriate answer is sorrow. S-O-R-R-O-W, sorrow. I hope you all completed your writings. My dear students, I give you some question from this text. Everyone please note down in your khata. Now I give you some question from this text. Our next question name is answer the following question. Answer the following question. Please everyone note down in your khata. I give you our, now I am giving you our first question. Who declared the independence of Bangladesh? Who declared the independence of Bangladesh? It is very simple and common question of everyone. I hope you all know the answer. Who declared the independence of Bangladesh? কে বাংলাদেশের স্বাধীনতার ঘোষণা করেছিলেন? Okay, I will help you to give the answer. বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান declared the independence of Bangladesh. I repeat the answer again. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh. I hope you all are writing. Now I am going to our second question. And our second question is, when was Bangladesh born? When was Bangladesh born? When was Bangladesh born? বাংলাদেশ কখন স্বাধীনতা লাভ করে বা জন্ম লাভ করে? বাংলাদেশ কখন জন্ম লাভ করে? And I hope you know the answer all. Was born in 16th December 1971. In 1971, in 16 December 1971, Bangladesh was born. বাংলাদেশ জন্ম লাভ করে 16 ডিসেম্বর 1971 সালে। Now I am going to our next question, and our next question is, which month had a unforgettable memories in 1971? Which month had an unforgettable memories in 1971? Which month had an unforgettable memories in 1971? 1971 সালের কোন মাসটি সহজেই বলা যায় না, এরকম কোন মাসের ঘটনাগুলোকে সহজে ভোলা যায় না, সেটা 1971 সালের কোন মাস? I hope you all know the answer. March had an unforgettable memories in 1971. Okay, Mars had an unforgettable memories in 1971. 1971 সালের মার্চ মাসে স্মৃতিগুলো কখনোই ভোলা যাবে না. I hope you completed your previous question. Now I give you our next question, and the question is, who killed many unarmed and innocent men? Who killed many unarmed and innocent men? Who killed many unarmed and innocent men? কে বা কারা মেরেছিল নিরস্ত্রধারী মানুষ এবং সাধারণ মানুষকে কারা হত্যা করেছিল বা মেরেছিল? I hope you know the answer, and our answer is the Pakistani armed killed. The Pakistani armed army, or armed, you can write anyone. Pakistani army killed many unarmed and innocent men who killed many unarmed and innocent men, and our answer is the Pakistani army killed many unarmed and innocent men. My dear students, now I am going to our last question, and the question is, why the Bengalis celebrate the Victory Day? Why the Bengalis celebrate the Victory Day? কেন বাঙালিরা বিজয় দিবস উদযাপন করে? And our answer is the Bengalis celebrate the Victory Day by remembering the rules of fearless freedom fighter. কেন বাঙালিরা বিজয় দিবস উদযাপন করে? And our answer is the Bengalis celebrate the Victory Day by remembering the roles of fearless freedom fighters. বাঙালিরা বিজয় দিবস উদযাপন করে অকুতোভয় সাহসী মুক্তিযোদ্ধাদের অবদানকে স্মরণ করে। তারা মুক্তিযোদ্ধাদের অবদান স্মরণ করার জন্য তারা বিজয় দিবস উদযাপন করে। The Bengalis celebrate the victory by remembering the roles of fearless freedom fighters. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all completed your writings. It will help you at your home. Thank you very much. to join the class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.